Hey everyone, Coin Digging here. We got a box of pennies. Did find a couple enders in it. I'll stop and show you what it is when I get to them in the box. And I'll get into her. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey everyone. We got an ender that I did not see earlier. We have a young portrait. So far, yeah, we got yesterday's wrap-up video going on, but we got a nice pile of Wheaties heading on. We got some 2009s, some more young portraits, and some another pile of Canadians, and of course some nice looking condition coins got to look through, and the errors possible errors right there. All right, we'll get back to it. We'll see what else we can find. All right, I got her unrolled. It's a nice looking coin. Yeah, it's just a 1963. We'll take it. It's a really nice coin. Alright, on to the next. Hey everyone, here's the wrap up for that penny box. We got a really nice shiny 41. That might actually be a proof. Proof or something other than just a plain wheat penny. It's got some nice toning on the back. It's kind of shiny. So A, it's been polished, or B, it's proof. I don't know. Not my strong point. But the cartwheel doesn't move the way it's supposed to. See how the light moves across it? So I don't believe it's original. Maybe a dipper. That's worth taking to the coin shop. See what he says. But we'll move on. We got a 41D. 42D. Some other mentionables here. Gonna have to figure out how to get a light right above this because it just is really hard to film this. 1950, 50D, 52D, 53, 55, checked it for the double die, of course, nada. 57s, 58s, 13 2009s out of that box. Handful of young portraits. By the way, this here is officially what they call the young head. Queen Victoria. It's a 1900 H. Picked that up for a couple bucks. I like it. Pretty neat. Big penny. Alright, moving on. Okay, got excited about finding this. 1942 double-headed penny. One more good look at it. But under further inspection, this is a fake. Somebody has reworked this rim to make two pennies into one. Oh, so sad. But we'll put it in the oddities bin. Maybe I'll win a heads or tails contest with it someday. Maybe somebody will give me a couple bucks for it. But either way, pretty neat having the collection. But let's get her focused in. There we go. See, a little bit of cryy face going on. There's some notables that have some nice luster and shine left to them. And that's a wrap up for another box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.